Hey everybody, I know I'm late to the game on this one, but today I am going to be using polyurethane resin for the first time. So I've watched a few videos on this and I know this has to be precise. So I have my cups labeled A and B, and I do have some interesting things I'm going to try adding in here and see how it goes. But so I'm going to start out with my phone holder. I'm going to go ahead and just brush this on there. But I've got a lot of different ideas here. So I've seen a lot of people doing these, but I'm going to just see what happens here. It is a wine rack. That is a very vibrant color. Okay, I don't know if I missed some, that's for sure.
Hold tight, we're gonna let go. All night dancing is our goal. So right, I wanna see you throw it down, big up the crowd. Those lights blind me, I'm floating so high, no one can touch me. I'm vexed to the rhythm, throw it down, I want the crown. Ooh, I'm winning, I won't hold back. Not stop until I'm the best. Baby, we got nothing to lose. I'm gonna put my heart into you. Move with me, I'll show you too. Floor is yours, step up to the tune. Baby, we can win this for us. I know we're going right to the top. Move with me, I'll show you how. Floor is yours, reach out to the crowd. Take me by the hand and let's ride. Coming more alive through the night. Playing by the rules, but I'll fight for the crown. I want it now. I can feel it to touch. Nothing gonna stand in my way. Ready, put your bets on the line. Throw it down. I want the crown. Baby, we got nothing to lose. I'm gonna put my heart into you. Move with me, I'll show you too. Floor is yours, step up to the tune. Baby, we can win this for us. I know we're going right to the top. Move with me, I'll show you how. Floor is yours, reach out to the crowd. Over your feet, move them to the beat.
for these little hair things. Okay, so that okay, so the crushed glass, that might actually look good if I UV resin over it, because it seems like it's got a couple of holes where there was air. So that's not going to be my favorite design, but hey, this is 10 minutes. So you get the white back, and then this was just green mica on the front. Came out pretty nice, good color. This one, I tried to put some pearls in there and it was already cured. I mean, that's how fast. You don't have, definitely don't have more than 2 minutes to work with this, as I'm sure most of you already realized. Okay, this is a mica heart, pretty, kind of pale, but you know, hey, not bad, not bad. Another, ooh, I like that one. Let's see if I can get that excess off there. Get my scissor. Get my scissor. Cut off that little excess. So basically, I'll probably just use my UV resin to make these into magnets. That's pretty. White on the back, colored on the front. How pretty. Okay. Now for these. Ooh, no. No, no, no. So this one was the one I put abalone seashells in. Not good. So far, the mica is my only success in these. However, I can always top coat it. Here again, you get crushed glass. Not liking it. Okay. And a blue crushed glass. Again, not my favorite. I mean, it's kind of cool looking, I guess, but not what I would do again. So I will put this to the side now, and let's do the bottom of this phone holder. Okay. It's pretty hard already. Okay, that's the blue, and then you get the white backing. Nice. And then here, still a little bendy, but I think they say it should be in 2 hours completely cured. Okay, that's the front. Ooh, I got a little ancient copper in there, but that's not bad. Really quick, easy to do. I'm happy with it. And then the wine rack. Let's check it out. I'm gonna have to do a lot of cleaning on all my molds here with all this mica. Okay. Ooh, oh yeah, look at that. That is gorgeous, you guys. All right, so you got the one side that's plain, but look at that. So pretty. Oh my gosh, wow. All right, I really like that one. That's a good color, because I also liked the heart that I used that same color on. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day.